How to fix Discord app stuck on connecting screen on iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Settings app on your phone. If you're using your Wi-Fi connection, switch it to cellular, and if you're using cellular connection, switch it to Wi-Fi. Now you want to go ahead and tap on Wi-Fi. Tap on the Wi-Fi that you're using. Now scroll down and tap on Configure DNS. Put it to manually and delete the DNS server, then tap on Add Server. Then type 1.1.1.1, then tap on Save, that is on the top right corner. This might help you fix the problem. And if it doesn't, what you need to do next is, you can go ahead and check if your Discord app is updated. For that, what you need to do is, open App Store, go to the search bar and search for Discord. Tab open the Discord, and if the blue button right here says Update, you want to go ahead and update it. If not, you have the updated version. Next thing what you can do is, you want to go ahead and open Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. After it is loaded, you want to go ahead and search for Discord. After you find it, go ahead and tap on it. Now tap on Offload app. Tap on Offload app again. This will clear all the cache of Discord. Now you want to go ahead and open Settings again. Go to General. Now scroll down to the very bottom and then tap on Shutdown. Turn off your phone, and after at least 60 seconds, you want to switch it on back again, and that might help you fix the problem. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.